Hello, ladies.
Hi, everyone.
And gentlemen.
And gentlemen, it's Carolyn and Jean from the attic. 2 tarts and our starts.
And our charts.
And our charts, all the charts.
But we don't have any charts today.
Not today. Today is going to be, well, okay, first of all, I'm so happy that we're filming. It's been a long time since we were able to.
We don't remember how.
I don't remember how long it's been. I hope nobody's keeping track. We don't keep track of how many we've made. We don't keep track of how often we do it.
No.
But we are here today. We wanted to do an unboxing. We went to market. We bought all the things. If you need it, just call us. We have all the things. But look what we got to. We are swimming. We're swimming in linen. We're swimming in linen.
64 yards from Color and Cotton.
Ah!
Arrived in 2 boxes yesterday. And we're very excited.
We're very
beautiful colors.
Beautiful colors. We're gonna go through them one by one for you, but we thought how much time do we have?
You don't have very much on you. You have to go to the airport.
I gotta go. Anyway, let's just look at this. Look how pretty. We might just
show you my favorite.
Okay, what's your favorite?
This color.
Yes.
I mean, how can you pick a favorite?
No, it's like picking your favorite child.
This is sampler gold. That's why I like it, because it has sampler in it.
Yes, that's 36 count. This is 46 count.
In the same color?
Uh-huh. Isn't that cool?
Oh, no.
Oh, no, just kidding. This is Mozart. I'm kidding. I'm sorry. I can't read. I thought it was the same.
Isn't that beautiful?
And I
There's
think
so many.
We have every color in 36, 40, 46, and some 32s.
Yes.
We do have some 32s. This one is, okay, we're just going to show you this. Cottage stone. Look how beautiful that is.
Aged paper.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Isn't that pretty?
Yes, it's just a really pretty light neutral.
And this one is salt rock.
It's like a white gray. And it's, we have that. Which one do we have? Here's the cottage stone in 32. Which one's that? Oh, that's pretty.
Cottage stone.
Oh, yeah, so it's like a dark. See, here's in 40. I should have taken it out of
Chantilly.
Okay, I just have to tell you, I am getting chills going through this linen. It's like, oh, look at all the linen. Oh my gosh.
So you probably don't want to sell it? Is that it? Oh.
No, we have to sell. I can stitch it all.
Okay.
Can,
just the 46 counts.
Just the 46. Just leave me the 46.
This was Chantilly.
Oh, that's beautiful. It's like
there's some blues in here too. This is
that's Chantilly.
This is Stratus.
Oh, we've had that before. That is beautiful. That is 46 count. But we have it in all the counts.
Even 32, that one.
Even 32 in that one.
Oh, I'm just over the moon with this.
Over the moon.
That's the name of it.
Over the moon.
How did they come up with all these clever names?
Ooh.
Okay, this is Boardwalk.
Oh. This is Boardwalk.
Isn't that pretty? Oh, look how subtle the modeling is.
Yeah.
For people who don't like real intense modeling, this is very subtle.
Yeah. That's very, which I think, even if it's something even has a lot of intense modeling, by the time you get all your thread in your piece, it's less. It's less intense.
Yes.
So.
Yes. Okay, so I want to see what's in the box.
We have a box. Okay, we're gonna flip around because we're gonna show you the box. We have a box.
We could look at all of this all afternoon, but
I know.
Carolyn doesn't
We
have
have
all
a box.
afternoon. She has to go to the airport.
We have a box, and then we have scissors.
Yes.
Okay. One more.
We found these beautiful scissors at Nashville, being sold by Trey Chic.
Tray chic.
Trey Chic.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and they're made in America, made under the name The Scissorist, and they are so sharp. I've been using the last day in my own personal stitching this pair of scissors, and the point on it is so sharp. Can you see that?
Mm-hmm.
And for those of you who do the pin stitch, it cuts closer than any scissors I've tried. They're really, really nice. These come in gold or silver.
Look at that sharp point.
And they also have a sharp point, exactly.
Wow.
And then,
And that beautiful sheath.
oh yes, each one of them comes in a beautiful leather sheath.
That's
Can't forget
really
to say
nice.
that.
Yeah.
And then this one is a nice, and they all open up very smoothly, work very smoothly.
Mm-hmm.
All have the leather sheath.
That's
I think
really
this
pretty.
is a 5-inch. I'm not quite sure. Looks like it. And then we also have, which we've been using here at the shop in the last couple days to cut the linen.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful.
Beautiful shears. Yeah.
And it comes in a leather sheath and then in a little bag.
Oh.
Yes.
So you can keep them put away from your family who wants to cut ribbon and paper with them.
Right.
Right? You can hide them.
No.
So then we received a box yesterday. This box came to us from, can you read? Looks like it's Japanese.
Oh yes. It's got Kohana products in
It's
it.
got Kohana. We wanted to unbox it for you because I want you guys to see what kind of Christmas we have here at the attic. Oh my gosh, look at all that! Look at all that! That looks like the sewing set. This is their new limited edition Sakura scissors and accessories that that came. Let's see. We have Kohana scissors, ladies.
Oh, I love their packaging.
I know.
They just really have that mastered.
They really do.
Here now, let's see what color pink. Oh, look at the pink.
Ah,
The pink.
I think it matches your shirt.
That's why I wore this.
Ah,
I didn't.
you didn't look at that. Scissors to match your outfits.
Oh, and look at how beautiful.
Oh, wow. Those are so pretty. Those are not the same color as,
No.
they're totally different. Because I have a pair from last year. They're a little more mauve, and these are more spring, more of a spring pink, like a peachy pink.
Like a cherry blossom
Like
pink.
a cherry blossom pink. They're beautiful.
Like Japanese cherry blossoms.
Mm-hmm. So if you have last year's color, then you need this year's color.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, look
the
at
edging on
that.
this.
Look how, is that hemmed?
I don't know. I don't have
Oh,
my glasses on.
let's see, let me put mine on. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, look at that beautiful little hem. Okay, so
Stitching.
we have scissors,
All right.
and then what's
We have,
next?
we have these cute little,
Oh, the little snips. Everybody needs a pair of snips.
and then we have, oh, these are those sweet little
Oh, those are they're pins. They're little glass head pins. Oh, aren't those
Are
precious?
they beautiful?
They're very precious. They're so
If
beautiful.
you like pink. And I know someone who loves pink.
Oh, I love pink.
Oh, and then, what is this?
Oh,
Little
look.
scissors. And this.
I think it's a needle thread. Cute little thread holder. And then this little guy is a needle threader. Isn't that neat?
Small brass spool sewing set.
Oh, that's
It's a
this
little
one.
sewing
It's a little sewing set with a brass spool.
And look at the thread wound around it. Oh.
So shiny.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's really cute.
It's lovely.
That's
lovely.
really sweet.
Okay.
What's
Now,
next? Ooh, what are those? Those look like presents.
well, one is a small sewing set. Now I have empathy for those people who've done these unboxing because you don't know exactly how to do it. You don't want to keep people wait.
Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that box. Oh, wow. That's a drawer in the box.
Mm-hmm.
And then inside the drawer, inside the box, that must be for your scissors. It's a little drawer for your scissors.
Yes, because here's the scissors. Oh.
Oh, oh my goodness, look at that. A pin cushion with a little pin.
And here's the scissors.
And the scissors,
For
a
that
pair of
drawer.
scissors for the drawer. And the needle threader. Isn't that cute?
Can't see where you thread it, but I'm sure you're
Yeah, it's a
correct.
little tiny.
Okay. And then
And
these are
then
needles. I
and
love this little thing.
I know.
And then
it's
two
so
white
cute.
thread winders.
Oh, wow. And that all comes in, and then you get to store it in that cute box. Okay, here we are. Here's the big one.
There's the large sewing set.
All that pink matches your shirt. You're all matching.
My
I love
earrings
it.
match too.
And your earrings match
They're
too.
pink too.
I love it.
Oh,
Wow.
this is
Is that in a box too? Oh my goodness.
Mhm.
Look at that. That's beautiful. So this would be like for the shears.
I think there are two pairs of scissors here. I'm not sure. Oh no. Oh, here. It has.
Oh, look at that. That's a tape measure, yeah?
Uh-huh. Kohana with pink and
That's beautiful.
little thread winders,
And
needle
the
threader,
threader
needles, and this lovely pin cushion.
with 3 of the little pins.
And then
That's beautiful.
this is a large pair of shears, I think. Oh, I hate it want to rip it.
Oh, those are beautiful.
There's the large shears and the leather case that it belongs to.
Oh, wow.
Aren't they beautiful?
Yes. So is that a cleaning cloth, a little cloth around it? I guess it's just to keep them safe and happy. And then is there a little tray, like a little...
Mm-hmm.
Oh, cute. So your scissors will rest in the little tray.
Right.
Oh, wow. You can see this stuff online, and it looks great. But when you see it in person,
It's just stunning.
it's amazing.
Just takes your breath away.
You're right. It totally
Takes me
takes...
back to the first
Yes.
time we got a box of Kohana products. And we were just
We all just went gaga over that, didn't we?
Yes.
We just, like the whole, everything stopped. Whatever it was we were doing just stopped.
I think we've looked at everything.
Is that everything
I think so.
that came? Oh, Jean, we did. We will get this pretty, and we will take a picture so you can see what all of this looks like all together. But, wow. Thanks for joining our unboxing and our linen boxing. Here, I'm going to show you the linen table that we were sitting at. Oh, and we have a new light too.
Yes.
So this is a new light that we have never tried before, and it's called Vivilux. And look how good that works. You have your hand under the magnification, and it's a good
It
magnifier.
weighs about 2 pounds. I mean, I really don't
Yeah.
know, but it's so lightweight.
It's so lightweight,
And
and they're cordless, and they have different light. Yeah, you can charge it.
rechargeable.
And you can do, let's see. Okay, so you can do white light, daylight, I think, warm, and warm
daylight.
light and daylight. So, and then we have a little travel version with a clip on it, so it can clip onto your hoop. And then we have this big one. So, and we have some more of these coming shortly. Like,
They just came today.
oh, they just came today.
Yes.
So, and they're much lighter to ship. They're very light to ship. So, and they're in a smaller box, so that it won't cost you an arm and a leg to get it to you.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
And I like the viewing area.
I like that it's a rectangle.
Yes, me too. One thing that we've noticed is that this is plexiglass and not glass, which contributes to the lightweightness of the product.
All right, my friends. This is our goal. We were talking about it, and we thought we could get on and just do cute little fast unboxing videos. That's kind of what we have time for in our wheelhouse at this moment in time. So anyway,
Ooh,
I know.
I want to play in it.
Yeah, we just lay down and roll around in it. Okay, say bye, Jean.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for joining us.
Yes, thank you, everybody.